Welcome back, guys. It is Monday, December 22nd, at least on the video, on the chart that I'm showing here. So I was looking at MYM at opening here at 6:30, and I didn't take this trade. I wish I would have, because you guys got to see how insane this trade is right here. I'm trying to make the video longer since I only took one trade this week, so yeah. Anyways, you could see this probably would have been my entry right here. I usually don't like to take it right at opening, right at 6:30, just because a lot of fake outs could happen during this time. But you guys could see we're already a little over a 1-to-1 right there, and you're going to see pretty much how fast this trade is going to go, right? I cut 10 seconds out here just because I went onto a different screen, just private information, I didn't want to show that. So yeah, you could see here already though, it's already at like a 2.5. I leave for like 10 seconds it was, and we're already hitting take profit 5 if I would have taken it. So yeah, in literally just a minute, it would have hit TP5. I wish I was in that trade, but obviously I wasn't. But yeah, you guys could see right there, it even went above the take profit, right? So, and then you could see me switching over here to MNQ, which is the trade I do take, right? It's pretty much right there at my buying point. So I'm gonna mark it up right here. And let's see, I'll skip to when I get into this trade. I actually forgot, guys, that it flipped the other way, so we're actually getting into sells here on MNQ. So it's a pretty late entry, but it was kind of along where that level of support was right there, breaking through. And so, yeah, as you guys could see, that's kind of where my entry level was, just right at those wicks. And so obviously we're aiming for a 1 to 5 here. Aiming for, but like I said, we're not always going to get it unless I took that MYM trade, but it's whatever. But yeah, guys, as you can see, we're already up over $200 right here. So at this point, of course, just marking up my positions here. I was $1 off. I have major OCD, so it always has to line up exactly right. But as you can see, up over $400 right here. And then I'm going to sell off five contracts, so half the position, right? You could see me wanting to mark it up first though, just to make sure it's at a TP1. And as you can see, it is. So then I go ahead and sell it off half. So now we're up over $300 right here. So yeah, and then pretty much I'm wanting to be patient here, but as you can see, we're coming up on on another support level right here, right at TP2. So keeping my eye on that here. And as you can see, it's kind of rejecting a little bit right there. We're about to start a new candle right here in 2 seconds. There we go. And so as you can see, boom, right back to TP1. So I sell off the rest of that position. So yeah, nothing too crazy for that day. And actually that's for the week. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into our summary here. So here we are, guys, $435.10 on the day and on the week technically. So yeah, didn't do any more trades just because I thought on Tuesday the 23rd that there wasn't going to be much volume, and sadly there was. When I had checked the next day, there was actually a good amount of volume. I didn't wake up early to trade, but I believe on the night of the 22nd I wasn't feeling good anyway, and I thought I was going to wake up sick, and thankfully I didn't. But didn't bother trading on Christmas Eve, of course, and obviously Christmas Day, the market's closed. The 26th, I just didn't bother either. I didn't think there was going to be much volume, and I believe there was. But yeah, guys, I should be doing a good amount of trades this week, starting on the 29th. Definitely will be waking up, trading that day, and we'll see how the week goes, guys. But yeah, sorry it was a pretty short video, but yeah, that's, it's the holidays, so can't do too much, right? But yeah, guys, just gonna wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to click the like button down below. Subscribe if you have not already to stay up to date with the journey, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace out.